Hi, this is Casey from OrangeTee and Thai, AG Division. Today I'll be showing you a beautiful high floor unit right here at 647 Punggol Central in District 19. This 110 square meter 5-room premium HDB flat is well connected with plenty of amenities and facility nearby. Come, let's go! This home is tastefully designed with glazed flooring, high ceilings, sleek feature reminiscent of luxurious condo. Our living room is spacious with squarish layout, coming with large window along the side that invite plenty of natural lights and breeze in. Here you can also appreciate the unblocked views of the vibrant surrounding estates and lush greenery. Our dining space is seamlessly integrated on one side here, easily accommodating to 10-seater for huge families. Our modern kitchen is well equipped with tons of functional cabinetry and well-maintained kitchenware. It also comes with plenty of walking space, allowing you to prepare your meal with ease. Our common rooms are good size, easily fitting a queen-size bed. Their simple and large layout make them versatile, allowing for countless design opportunities. Designed with warm parquet flooring and neatly coated walls, this room is the perfect sanctuary to come home to. Our master ensuite is lavish, easily fitting your king-size bed, full-height built-in wardrobes and TV features. It also comes fitted with a built-in desk so you can work from home comfortably. We have a pristine master ensuite as well. This unit is just a 4-minute sheltered walk from Kadalor LRT, linking you to Punggol MRT on the Northeast Line in just 3 stops. For food and shopping, you can head down to Punggol Plaza, Oasis Terrace, and various small shops along Punggol Drive. One Punggol Hawker Centre is also nearby, offering you plenty of nice local food. On the weekend, you can take a stroll or jog along My Waterway at Punggol and Sungai Serangoon for a short break from work and city life. A little further north is Coney Island, a popular site for cycling and hiking. We have a range of schools nearby like Horizon Primary, Greendale Secondary, and Waterway Primary, among many others. Just one station away is Riviera LRT station, which will connect you to the future Cross Island Line MRT station. Thank you for watching our home tour for this amazing unit here at 647 Punggol Central. If you are interested in this unit, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Casey from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division, signing off.